So here we have this DEVICO portable utensil set. Now, I bought the black set, but there's also a variety of other awesome colors. And these are made from quality stainless steel, so they aren't going to rust. I am not exactly sure how they achieve this coloring on the utensils, but I'm pretty sure they put them through a heat process that turns them into their specific colors. What I know for sure is that there isn't any type of coating on these, like a paint or anything that's gonna chip off. So they're completely food safe. The set does of course come with all the necessities such as a spoon, fork, and knife, but it also includes a pair of chopsticks, 2 straws, and a convenient brush to clean those straws. Now the set comfortably fits into this case, and honestly there's quite a bit of extra space, so you could easily fit another set of utensils or like a toothbrush and toothpaste if you wanted to. And the case also has this loop on it, so you could clip it to a bag or something else. This silverware set is a great set for camping, picnics, or whatever else that you can think of.